Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make meringue by hand. First, gather your ingredients. Typically 4 large egg whites, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and a pinch of salt. It is crucial to use room temperature egg whites as they whip up with maximum volume. Also, ensure your mixing bowl and whisk are spotlessly clean and free of any grease, which can prevent the egg whites from stiffening properly. Now, let's start whisking. Pour your room temperature egg whites into your clean bowl. Begin whisking slowly with a large balloon whisk until the whites become frothy and bubbly, which usually takes about 2 minutes. At this point, add your pinch of salt and the cream of tartar. The cream of tartar acts as a stabilizer, helping the egg whites hold their structure. Increase your whisking speed to medium-high and continue until soft peaks begin to form, meaning the peaks gently flop over. Once you have soft peaks, it is time to add the sugar. This step is critical. Add the granulated sugar very slowly, about 1 to 2 tablespoons at a time, while continuously whisking. This gradual addition ensures the sugar dissolves completely, preventing a gritty texture and helping the meringue remain stable. Continue whisking vigorously for 10 to 20 minutes by hand until the meringue is glossy, smooth, and holds stiff. Firm peaks that stand straight up when you lift the whisk. With your beautiful, stiff meringue ready, you can now pipe or spoon it onto baking sheets lined with parchment paper. Preheat your oven to a low temperature, typically around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the meringues for about 1 to 2 hours, depending on their size, until they are firm and dry. For the crispiest results, turn off the oven after baking and leave the meringues inside to cool completely, allowing them to dry out thoroughly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.